Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I am Judy G. Sardon, 32 years old, married. I have one kid. She's 2 years old. 3 years old. I am living at Munlungan 1, Kawayan City, Isabela. I am college graduate. I take Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, I have, sir. I am work at Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as on-call cleaner. I do ironing, clean the house, dusting, and also I have experience here in Philippines as a nanny. They are 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 kids.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing their safety and when the baby sick, I will check the temperature, and when the baby sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, kind, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
I have surgery for giving birth as a true cesarean section 3 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
I don't have sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide and give the needs and wants of my family, especially my daughter.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my mother, or my sister-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus and busy to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after work done and wake up around 5 p.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm and be more patient and talk them softly.
Do you accept no of this but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let man in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. If needed, I will extend.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay. So what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you select me as your employer. I am hardworking, kind, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with my best and heart. Thank you.